When the broom just won't push it and the hose just won't cut it, get yourself a banjo. A Ricky banjo, because that's the guy you call when you got a dirty patio.
Oh, we've seen his other videos, right?
Yeah, I love this kind of before and after stuff. It really is a complete patio makeover here.
Yeah, that looks just dangerous and slippery.
Yeah, Ricky shows us around the patio that he's about to clean first. It's all covered in mud and algae and mold and all kinds of stuff. So he gets out the tools. Pre-treating is the first step.
This stuff is so satisfying. I recently subscribed to a Reddit, which is literally called power washing porn.
We need to get you out more. After we see some of the pre-treating, then he goes back with a different style of pressure washing. Then he gets out the steam cleaner. Once he gets the scrubber all done, he goes back with a broom and some more hosing.
Wow, he takes this seriously.
Yeah.
Yes, and it looks like a completely different backyard.
There's all those different colors of the stone.
Yeah.
That's Indian sandstone he was treating. And yeah, when it's all done, it looks brand new.
Okay, that's us all done here.